All right, summer's coming, guys, and you know your oil pan that you have in back of your, look how greasy it gets, and this is very difficult to clean. But today we have a solution. They give you two different versions of it, right? We're actually going to use this one to match the one that we currently have. Now this one, the best thing about it, they have these little disposable aluminum plates that you just fold them up and throw them in the trash. You don't have to worry about cleaning this thing, because this is the most difficult part when you own a grill, is cleaning this. Now they give you the tool set to put the whole thing together, but you know, we're going to set this up and we're going to match our old one that we have so we can know exact measurements. So they got two different versions, like I said. Let's put it together and see how it works. So just to let you guys know, when you set this up, make sure you're doing the flat side inside, because the aluminum is going to go in here. There's a little tray in there that this thing kind of ties in there. There we go. So we got the drip tray in there. It's nice and fixed already. We don't have to worry about it. Send these to the back. To the back. Push them forward. Like that. You don't want the heat away from you. You can do that. Okay, we're grilling in there, but look at this. The oil's starting to drip on here. This is gonna save me a lot of time from cleaning up, because this machine is this grill is very hard to difficult to clean, especially this part right here.